Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. I hope you all are doing well. In today's session, we are going to explore a real world example of brand stickiness, a concept which we discussed in our previous class. We will see how this concept has been applied in one of the most fascinating cases in the Indian market, particularly within the bottom of the pyramid. Brand stickiness refers to the strong attachment and loyalty a consumer feels towards a particular brand, often to the point where they choose that brand repeatedly, even in the face of competitive alternatives available. For brands targeting BOP markets, this concept becomes especially important because these consumers are generally price sensitive and they have limited resources and are often loyal to local and unbranded products. So, in this session, we are going to dive into the success story of ITC's Ashirwad, a popular flour brand in India that has managed to create and sustain brand stickiness despite intense competition from cheaper local alternatives. Through this case study, we will examine how Ashirwad, by employing strategic approaches, has built a long lasting presence in the lives of millions of Indian consumers, many of whom live in rural and semi urban areas. Ashirwad's story offers an excellent example of how a brand can build loyalty, win over new consumers, and make a lasting impact. Even in markets where consumers are price conscious and where there are so many alternatives available. So, let's take a closer look at how Ashirwad achieved this success and what lessons we can draw from their strategies. So, let's start with introduction of key concepts. So, before we delve into the case, let's quickly revisit the idea of brand stickiness. Essentially, brand stickiness is about creating an emotional and functional attachment between the consumer and the brand. When a brand succeeds in building stickiness, it does not just rely on transactional relationships, but it builds long term loyalty. In the context of BOP markets, where consumers may have limited disposable income, brand loyalty can be especially challenging to earn in such markets. Consumers are often driven by price rather than brand value. So, for a brand to thrive, it must offer more than just affordability. It must offer perceived value, reliability, and a deeper connection with the consumers. So, now let's explore how ITC's Ashirwad managed to overcome the challenges it faced in the fiercely competitive and price sensitive BOP markets. So, to start with, first we will try and understand background of the brand Ashirwad. Understanding the brand's initial challenges will help us to understand overall background of the story. ITC is one of the most diversified companies in India, with operations spanning various sectors such as FMCG, hospitality, paperboards, and packaging. In the food and FMCG sector, ITC Ashirwad is a major player, particularly known for its high quality atta, which is multi-purpose flour. Ashirwad atta was introduced with a clear vision of providing premium quality flour to Indian households. It quickly gained popularity, especially in urban and semi urban markets, where consumers were becoming increasingly health conscious and looking for convenience in their food choices. The company, however, faced several hurdles when it aimed to penetrate India's BOP markets. In these markets, consumers had a deeply ingrained habit of buying flour in bulk from local mills or using cheaper unbranded alternatives. These products were often perceived as more affordable and equally reliable, which made the task of convincing consumers to switch to Ashirvad's premium priced product extremely challenging for ITC. In addition to this, local brands had already established a strong relationship with consumers. They were trusted, often had better distribution in remote areas, and were available at a much lower price point than Ashirvad. The competition also included the unorganized sector, where consumers could buy loose flour from small local vendors at very low prices. For Ashirvad, breaking this deeply ingrained purchasing habit was one of the first and most significant challenge it faced. The second is price sensitivity and loyalty to local brands. In BOP markets, price sensitivity plays a critical role in purchase decisions. The vast majority of consumers in these areas have limited disposable income and are hesitant to spend on products that don't seem to offer significant value. The unbranded loose flour sold by local mills is not only cheaper but also seems like a familiar and trustworthy option. It's affordable, widely available, and does not come with the complexities of dealing with branded products. Ashirvad, by contrast, came with a higher price tag. The challenge, therefore, was to convince these price sensitive consumers that they should pay more for a product that on the surface appeared similar to its alternatives. The question for ITC was, how could Ashirvad create enough perceived value to justify the higher price and win the loyalty of BOP consumers? At the same time, Ashirvad had to contend with the fact that consumer trust in local, unbranded alternatives was very strong. Consumers in rural India tend to rely on what they know. They prefer products that have been passed down through generations and trust the vendors from whom they buy. Overcoming this challenge required a strategy that not only addressed the functional needs of the consumers but also built a deep emotional connection with them. Second thing, brand differentiation and building trust. In order to create brand stickiness, Ashirvad needed to differentiate itself from both local competitors and the unorganized sector. This meant establishing a strong brand identity that would resonate with consumers at a personal level. ITC had to convince BOP consumers that Ashirvad was more than just flour. It was a product that contributed to the well-being of the family and their health benefits. So now let's move to see some strategies which are adopted by Ashirvad to fight against these challenges. So now when we have understood what all challenges are there, let's look at the strategies it implemented to overcome these hurdles and build brand stickiness in the BOP segment. The first strategy, product quality and consistency. One of the primary reasons Ashirvad gained consumer loyalty was its focus on quality and consistency. For a product like atta, quality is a top priority for consumers who want to provide the best for their families. Ashirvad's atta is marketed as being superior in quality, fresher and more nutritious than loose flour available in the local market. ITC took several steps to ensure consistent quality in every bag of Ashirvad atta. The company invested in the best wheat sourcing practices, modern milling technology, and innovative packaging solutions that would guarantee the freshness and nutritional value of that product. They also ensured that the wheat used in Ashirvad atta was sourced from some of the best farming regions in India, ensuring premium quality from the ground up. This attention to quality helped Ashirvad stand out in market where the majority of consumers were accustomed to low cost unbranded alternatives. The key point here is that while BOP consumers are very price sensitive, they don't compromise on the health and well-being of their families. The perception of higher quality, particularly in terms of nutrition and freshness, appealed strongly to them, especially since they could see and feel the difference when they are using Ashirvad atta. The second strategy is emotional branding and localized messaging. The emotional connection that Ashirvad established with consumers played a crucial role in building brand stickiness. ITC did not just market Ashirvad as a product, it marketed it as an integral part of the family life. The Sehat Ki Chakki, that means meal of health, campaign was central to this messaging. It emphasized that Ashirvad was not just flour, but it's a source of well-being for their entire family. This created an emotional association with the brand, positioning it as a symbol of care, health, and nourishment. Emotional branding is particularly powerful in BOP markets because it connects with the core value of these consumers, such as family health and well-being. By aligning its brand with these values, Ashirvad became more than just a product. It became a trusted family partner for customer. This emotional bond made it harder for consumer to switch to cheaper alternatives. The messaging was also localized to appeal to the specific needs and values of rural and semi-urban families. Ashirvad did not try to impress an urban or high-class identity, but instead resonated with the simple value-driven ethos of rural India. The third strategy is innovative packaging and product. In BOP markets, where hygiene and product quality are often not top priorities for consumers, Ashirvad's packaging became a critical differentiator. Loose flour sold in bulk by local vendors often lacked proper packaging and hygiene standards. Ashirvad, on the other hand, introduced innovative packaging that guaranteed cleanliness, freshness, and quality. The modern sealed pack made Ashirvad's atta a more attractive option, particularly for consumers who are concerned about hygiene and quality. Additionally, ITC introduced smaller pack sizes which allowed consumer to purchase Ashirvad atta within their limited budgets. This approach addressed both price sensitivity and the need for convenience. The fourth strategy is rural distribution network and accessibility. Ashirvad's success in building brand stickiness was also due to ITC's strong rural distribution network. ITC's reach extended far into remote areas where traditional distribution channels often failed to penetrate. Through a network of micro distributors, Ashirvad was able to make its product available in even the most rural villages, often where local shops or kirana stores were the primary retail outlets. By ensuring that Ashirvad Atta was easy to find, the brand stayed top of mind for consumers and became a convenient option for household in these areas. The fifth strategy is community engagement and trust building. One of the most innovative and effective strategies that Ashirvad employed was community engagement. While many brands simply focus on advertising, Ashirvad went a step further by becoming an active participant in the communities where it has targeted. This engagement was not only about promoting the brand but also about building a long term trust, which is essential for establishing brand stickiness in BOP markets. Positioning Ashirvad as a community centered brand is another strategy. Ashirvad positioned itself not just as a product but as a partner in the health and well being of the local communities. ITC undertook initiatives to promote health awareness and nutrition education in rural areas. For example, the brand sponsored various workshops where local villagers were educated on the importance of a nutritious diet, how to ensure the health of their families, and how Ashirvad could be an integral part of their daily meals. These workshops were targeted at women who are the primary decision makers when it comes to the food purchase in most of the rural households. By engaging directly with the community, Ashirvad built a sense of loyalty and trust that is much harder to create through traditional advertising alone. The brand's involvement in the community became a key part of its identity, reinforcing the idea that Ashirvad was more than just a product. It was a responsible and caring brand. Now let's see how they leveraged local influencer and word of mouth marketing in their next strategy. In many rural areas, word of mouth marketing is extremely powerful. Ashirvad capitalized on this by collaborating with local influencers and trusted figures within their community. This could be individuals such as local shopkeepers, respected elders, or even popular figure in that particular village. These influencers often served as key advocates, recommending Ashirvad to their networks and encouraging others to try it. This grassroots approach, combined with the community centered branding, contributed significantly to building trust with consumers. Another benefit of community engagement is the feedback loop it creates. By staying connected with the community, Ashirvad could gather direct insight into the needs, preferences, and challenges which are faced by consumers. This valuable feedback allowed the brand to refine its strategies and its offerings, ensuring that it met the evolving needs of its target market. This constant dialogue and improvement helped solidify the brand's position and encouraged repeat purchases. Now let's see what different corporate social responsibility initiatives are taken by Ashirvad to build brand stickiness. Ashirvad also participated in various corporate social responsibility activities such as improving sanitation, promoting sustainable farming practices, and providing clean drinking water. These activities helped the brand to build deeper connections with rural consumers who valued companies that contributed to the welfare of their communities. Ashirwad's CSR efforts positioned it as a brand that cared for the well being of not only its customers but also the broader community, further strengthening its emotional appeal. By focusing on these community driven efforts, Ashirwad created a sense of brand loyalty that went beyond transactional relationships. The brand became a part of the social fabric in rural and semi urban India, which proved to be a highly effective way to establish brand stickiness. Now, coming to the next strategy is price promotions and loyalty program. While building an emotional connection and ensuring consistent product quality, they became key element of Ashirwad's success. Price sensitivity remained one of the primary obstacles to driving brand stickiness in the BOP segment. To tackle this challenge, Ashirwad implemented several price promotions and loyalty programs to make its product more accessible and to reinforce customer loyalty. They did frequent price promotion and discount offerings. Ashirwad often ran price promotions that were tailored to the BOP market's sensitivity to their cost. ITC strategically offered occasional discounts on Ashirwad Atta, especially during the festivals or during the key shopping seasons. These promotional offers created a perception that the brand was affordable without compromising on the quality, which helped encourage trial among first time buyers. Moreover, the brand introduced bundle offers where consumers could purchase larger quantities of Ashirwad Atta at a slightly lower price point. These promotions were designed to appeal to BOP consumers who preferred buying in bulk but were hesitant to pay the full price upfront. The idea was to make Ashirwad more financially accessible while reinforcing the notion that buying the branded products was a smart choice in the long run. Let's see which loyalty program they used. For building habits and rewarding consumer, they used loyalty program. In the way of price promotion, Ashirwad implemented loyalty programs to incentivize repeat purchases. These programs were crucial in driving brand stickiness because they helped to transform Ashirwad from a product that was occasionally bought to one that became an ongoing habit in the consumer's shopping list. The loyalty programs operated on a simple principle. They started rewarding customers for choosing Ashirwad repeatedly. This could be through discounts or free products or even small tokens of appreciation. Over time, these programs help build a loyal consumer base that not only returned for future purchases but also became brand advocates recommending Ashirwad to family and the friends. Loyalty programs work well in the BOP segment, where brand choices are heavily influenced by cost considerations. When consumers feel that they are getting value beyond just the product, whether it's through discounts or through free products, they are more likely to continue purchasing from that brand. These programs helped reduce the perceived price gap between Ashirwad and other local alternatives. Additionally, Ashirwad often used a tiered loyalty system where the more a consumer bought, the greater the benefit they received. This encouraged regular and repeat purchases, gradually building a habit of choosing Ashirwad over cheaper alternatives. Over time, this strategy led to strong brand loyalty, making it harder for competitors to break into the market. Next, they tried to come up with small pack sizes to manage affordability. So, to address affordability concerns without compromising on the brand's premium positioning, Ashirwad introduced small pack sizes that allowed BOP consumers to purchase the product in smaller quantities that fit their budget. This was particularly important in rural and semi-urban markets, where consumers often don't have the purchasing power to buy larger, more expensive packages. By offering smaller, more affordable pack sizes, Ashirwad made its product accessible to a wider audience without alienating consumers who were price sensitive. These small packs not only made the product affordable, but it also ensured that it fit neatly into the purchasing patterns of rural families, who may only purchase a small quantity of flour at a time due to limited cash flow. So, the smaller packaging option allowed consumers to try Ashirwad without making a significant financial commitment in the brand. Because of all these 6 strategies which we discussed, what is the result? Ashirwad is successful in building lasting brand loyalty. So now that we have explored all these strategies which Ashirwad has implemented, let's take a look at the final results of this strategy. What did Ashirwad achieve by employing these strategies, and how did this brand manage to build strong brand stickiness in the BOP markets? Increasing market share is the first result which we can see. One of the most significant outcome of Ashirwad's effort was the increase in market share. Despite being a premium priced product, Ashirwad Atta managed to capture the attention of millions of BOP consumers in rural and semi-urban areas. Through consistent efforts in building brand loyalty, offering high quality product and creating an emotional connection, Ashirwad became the brand of choice in households across these regions. The availability of Ashirwad in small affordable pack sizes combined with effective pricing strategies like promotions and discounts allowed it to break through the price sensitivity barrier. Over time, more consumers began to view Ashirwad as a reliable, trusted brand that they could count on for quality and nutrition. This shift in perception led to higher brand preference and repeat purchases, which are key indicators of brand stickiness. It also brought strong customer retention and advocacy. Another major result was the increase in customer retention and advocacy for Ashirwad brand. Ashirwad's emotional branding and community engagement helped it build trust and a sense of belonging among consumers. As a result, many of Ashirwad's customers not only became loyal repeat buyers but also turned into brand advocates for the brand. These advocates recommended Ashirwad to their neighbors, to their friends and family, further cementing the brand's position in rural markets. The loyalty programs and price promotions created a positive feedback loop that reinforced customer habits, making them more likely to return to Ashirwad whenever they needed atta. This strong customer retention contributed significantly to the brand's long-term success in the BOP segment. Now let's see the emotional connection which led to long-term loyalty because of Ashirvad's strategy. The emotional connection fostered through campaigns like Sehat Ki Chakki became deeply ingrained in the mindset of BOP consumers. Over time, Ashirvad became more than just a product. It became part of their daily ritual or making healthy meals for the family. This strong emotional bond led to long-term loyalty, with consumers willing to pay a premium for a product that they trusted and feel emotionally connected with. So, in conclusion, we will try and understand what are those key lessons and takeaway which we can take from this case of Ashirvad. Ashirvad's journey in building brand stickiness in India's BOP markets offers several valuable lessons for any brand which is looking to succeed in this challenging segment. The first takeaway is quality is crucial. BOP consumers may be price sensitive, but they don't want to compromise on the health and well-being of their families. Offering consistently high quality products can go a long way in building trust and loyalty. Second takeaway, emotional branding resonates. Emotional connections with the consumer are vital for creating long-term brand loyalty when a brand connects with the core values of its target audience, whether it's health, family or community. It can create a bond that transcends price. The third takeaway is accessibility and distribution matter. Ensuring that your product is available even in the most remote areas is the key to building brand presence and loyalty. A robust distribution network can give your brand a significant advantage. The fourth takeaway is affordable alternatives without compromising perception. Offering smaller pack sizes and running price promotions can help make your product accessible to BOP consumers while maintaining the perception of high quality. The fifth takeaway is community engagement and CSR build trust. Actively participating in the well-being of the community through CSR initiative can foster a sense of loyalty that goes beyond the product itself. Ashirvad's success story demonstrates that building brand stickiness in BOP markets requires more than just price cuts. It requires a combination of quality, emotional resonance, accessibility, and community involvement. By focusing on these aspects, brands can create long-term loyalty and secure a lasting presence in even the most competitive market. So, I hope from the case study of Ashirvad, we have learned the concept of brand stickiness and how we can build it in BOP market. So, that's all for today's session. Thank you.